In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate CTR, also known as click-through rate, in Google Ads. Understanding CTR is crucial for monitoring the effectiveness of your ad campaigns, so let's get right into it and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Google Ads website. This is the primary platform where you'll manage all your ad campaigns and, importantly, where you'll calculate your CTR. So open up your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page, where you'll enter your credentials to access your Google Ads account. After successfully signing in, you will find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub for all your ad-related activities. From here, you'll need to locate and click on the Overview tab. The Overview section gives you a snapshot of your account's performance and is where you'll be able to find detailed information about your ad metrics, including CTR. Once you're in the overview section, you should look for the metric labeled CTR or click-through rate. CTR is typically expressed as a percentage and is calculated by dividing the number of clicks your ad receives by the number of times your ad is shown, also known as impressions. Simply put, CTR equals clicks divided by impressions, multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. By directly accessing this data in the overview section, you gain immediate insights into how well your ads are performing. A high CTR indicates that your ad resonates well with viewers and is effective in prompting them to take action. However, if your CTR is lower than expected, it might be a sign that your ad copy or target audience needs adjustment. As a quick tip, continually monitor this metric as part of your regular ad management routine. Adjust and optimize your ad copy, keywords, and targeting criteria to improve your CTR over time. Lastly, remember that CTR varies widely by industry, so what you've set as a benchmark should reflect your specific business goals and market standards. Regularly reviewing and adapting your strategies based on CTR data can significantly enhance your ad performance and ultimately drive better results for your business. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate Google Ads to find and understand your CTR, giving you better control over your advertising efforts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to manage your campaigns more effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. See you in the next tutorial.